Hello guys, welcome to this Oracle Weblogic application server administration series. Seriously, I'm quite enjoying this series because first of all, the reason why I created all these videos is just I would like to record this videos. It might help some other people or even me in the future. Yes, I switching over between roles in the organization, so there is a high chance that I might forget things easily. So I would like to record all those things in some place. Okay, then this seriously the Google YouTube came in handy. So we are recording everything and just posting it over there so that we can just review it later on, maybe down the line after 2 or 3 years. Okay, that's it. We will come back to the topic. The thing is, I'm just going to demonstrate in this video about how to create data sources. Okay, data sources are nothing but how we will connect our middleware, which is our Weblogic, to our databases. Okay, we'll be doing this with the help of data sources. You can just see the data sources in the left pane, and you can see the description what does data source means. And one more thing which you have to remember is all the data sources will be accessed by the Java developers using JNDI. JNDI is the expansion of JNDI is like Java naming directory. I think that interface. Okay, using this one can access the database. Previously, in the old days, generally I remember how they will do is they will hard code the username, password, maybe in a property file or something, and they will connect to the database. And there is no such concept called connection spool or something. Okay, whereas Apache emerged, like there were you can introduce Apache means you can create connection spools, and you can ready-madely create around 50 or 60 connections or whatever connections you want, and you can use it whenever it is required, so that you can avoid the delay in creating the connection. Okay, it will be tested by Weblogic on behalf of you. Okay, so all the connections would be tested and it will be valid when you're going for some transaction. That's the primary advantage of this data sources and things. There are so many things out there, but in this video just I'm going to demonstrate how to create a data source using Weblogic. Okay, the first thing is I just installed Oracle database. I just installed Express Edition in this machine. Okay, it is running on 1521 port, default database port, and my service name is XE. Okay, the default service name of Express Edition. You can install Express Edition. You can try it in your machine too. So just for demonstration, just I'm trying this. Okay, so I know what my IP is. So this is my IP. So you can just verify whether your database server is running or not. Okay, you can just telnet this, and you can give your IP, and I can give 1521, which is a port number. So actually it is listening, so that's why you are getting this escape characters, and you can just quit it, and you can just close this. Okay, and you can just close this, I think. Okay, so we can just close this. Now we can proceed with creating our data sources. Okay, you can just go to your console and you will find data sources. In data source you will find 3 different options. Multi-data sources, like combining 2 different data sources, you can just use multi-data source. Scripting data sources mainly used for RAG databases. Okay, mainly for RAG databases. This is just generic data source. I'm just going to create a generic data source. Most of the configuration are almost same. Okay, you can give whatever name you want. Okay, I'm just going to give it application data source, and you can assign a JND name, the one which you will distribute to your developers. Okay, and you can just give TS or something. Okay, mine is database type is Oracle. You can select even other databases too, like MySQL or whatever it is. Okay, mine is Oracle, and just giving next. Okay, I'm just going to use the XA driver. So by default that is selected. I don't worry about that. Just give next. The database name only you have to give your service name. Mine is XC, and my host name is this. Sorry, my host name is this. You can just copy paste it, and my port number is 1521 by default, and my username password is I given the default system password username, system. Okay, once you give next, then you will get this page where you can text all your configuration, whether it was right or not. Okay, mine is right, so that's it. Just give next. And for example, where you want this to be targeted, I want to target to my admin server because that is the only thing which is running in my machine. So you can just give finish. But in real time, it is not entertained. You should not deploy your data sources to your administration server. You should only do to your managed servers. You should use only administration server for your management purposes. That is recommended by even Oracle. You can just verify that. So that's it. Now you can go to the monitoring section and you can just verify. So there are no active count because we are not using it anymore, right? Not yet, right? So you can just verify that, and you can even customize this to find out whether is there any leaked connections are there, something like that. You can just verify all those things over here. Okay. And once you click your data source, what you can do is you can just go to your monitoring section. There you will find the testing tab, using which you can select the radio button and you can just give test data source. So it is successful. So the connection is successful. Okay, you can just test your database's status using this. That's it, guys. That's it. It's quite simple. Configuring data sources with Weblogic is quite simple. That's it from me for the session. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more about this, then you can just subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session. Bye bye.